Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you delete a saved album from iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete a saved album from your iPhone's Photo app, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Photos app, and then once you're inside, here what you need to do is simply tap on the Albums tab or simply scroll down until you find the albums, and under albums you'll find the option that says saved album. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the album that you want to delete. Then once there, tap on the people icon or the more icon, which is the three dot icon button usually on the top right. Then once you're inside there, scroll down and you'll find an option that says delete saved album. Simply tap on that and confirm by tapping delete album once again. Note that deleting the saved album removes it for everyone invited to the album. You can only delete albums you created or are the owner of, and if you just want to leave a saved album without deleting for others, tap people and leave shared album instead. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.